So guys, welcome to my channel. I am currently at Unity Park here in the city of Enugu. I'm trying to explore what this Unity Park is all about, and I was made to understand that there is an image of a big lion in this particular park. That is why I decided to come to this particular place to come and explore this Unity Park, to know what the place is made up, and let me see one or two things about this particular place. Thank you guys. Just have a look and share your thoughts below, and always remember to comment at the comment section. Thank you for watching. In the cities of Enugu.
Another money. I don't do that with I don't do business. I go show you. I can come open this door. Say that you will get something more.
There are a lot of landscape, a lot of things. I wish I have somebody that can explain to me what all these things are for. I would have been very, very grateful. But nevertheless, I think I'm having a sightseeing of this environment, and sorry, you'll be one of my contacts. So what is your name?
Sir?
Your name?
Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
I can hear you.
I said, what is your name?
Okay, I'm Peace.
Okay, Peace, it's okay. Nice meeting you. It's like you are shooting for Instagram.
Yeah.
I can see. It's okay, I can see that. You're welcome. My name is Fred anyway.
Sir?
I said my name is Fredrick Ubiri.
Alright.
You can check me out on YouTube. Fredrick Ubiri channel.
Okay.
That is my name.
Okay.
You're welcome. So guys, these are some of the things I saw in this park. So guys, it's good for somebody to visit area that you have not been to before. At least my coming to Enugu has opened my eyes to another world. You will be thinking that nothing is happening in this particular area, but there are a lot is actually happening in Enugu State. Things that cannot generate income are things that are generating income in Enugu State. So guys, I believe this video has some value to you people. So guys, just pass your comments at the comment section. Thank you. Well done, madam. What is that? Pass your comments at the comment section below, so that you can get more of this content, and YouTube can tend to promote my videos. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Yeah, well done, madam. Well done. So guys, this is Fredrick Ubiri. I am currently in Unity Park of Enugu City, the cool city of Nigeria. So guys, just share your thoughts on what you are seeing in this Unity Park here in Enugu. See a lot of big trees, see young folks have a quiet time, the quiet moment in their own corners. Like I almost video a young folk some few minutes ago when they are having a network connectivity between the male and the females. I just decided to remove my camera and face another direction so that I will not capture their movements. You see. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. These are some of the places people are supposed to be visiting when you come to some particular cities. Well done, sir. Well done. So guys, so I think this should be the administrative building of this Unity Park right here in Enugu. So guys, I've taken enough time to walk around this Unity Park, and I believe this video has resonated some value to you. So guys, share your thoughts below so that YouTube can always recommend my video to others. And always remember to buy me some coffee to see more of my video. Thank you.